Did you know that vascular tissue plays a vital role in plant survival? This tissue is composed of two main types, xylem and phloem. Let's dive into how each of these components functions. Xylem is known for its role in conducting water and minerals throughout the plant. It forms a continuous system that reaches every part of the plant. Water enters the plant mainly through root hairs. These root hairs are long cells that efficiently absorb water from the soil. Once inside, water travels up through the plant in a continuous stream. As water reaches the leaves, it evaporates into the air through tiny openings called stomata. This process is called transpiration, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining water flow. Phloem, on the other hand, is responsible for transporting food and nutrients. This tissue distributes materials in both directions along the plant. Interestingly, most cells in mature xylem are dead, which makes them efficient in water conduction. As water is lost from the leaves through transpiration, more water is drawn up from the xylem. This creates a suction effect, allowing water to travel from the roots to the leaves seamlessly. This upward movement is known as the transpiration stream. Now, let's look at protective tissues. The outer layer on leaves, stems, and roots is called the epidermis. This layer is essential for protection and is covered with a waxy substance known as cutin. The cutin forms a protective cuticle that helps in reducing water loss and defending against pathogens. In woody plants, cork provides additional protection. This tissue is produced by cork cambium cells and consists of dead cells, which safeguard the living tissues beneath. To summarize, vascular tissues like xylem and phloem are crucial for water and nutrient transport, while protective tissues like epidermis and cork shield the plant from environmental threats. Make sure to explore and learn more about plant biology. Understanding these concepts will enhance your appreciation of nature. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more insightful content about the fascinating world of plants.